Brittany Sylvester, finally.
Judge, that's the one,
I
the probation officer is here. Apparently she's not, her hygiene is not great. And they have.
Well, she's in custody right now.
Yes, but they have problems bringing her back and forth and back and forth
From where?
from the jail.
Oh,
From the jail. And so we've brought her back numerous times to try to get an evaluation filed.
sir?
Thank you, Daryl.
Yeah, we need her.
And we need somebody.
What do you want me to do? What do you wanting me to do?
File
Tell her to,
ever examined by
oh,
Dr. Rapon, I think is what.
She's
Well,
back there screaming she's an election official.
Judge, and
she might be, but
She's not big.
and I can guarantee you this, most elected officials consider screaming before the end of the election.
I just think, well,
Yeah, right.
Come on up, man. But you haven't filed anything, right, David?
No,
All
sir.
right. But you're Brittany Sylvester, correct?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
Brittany Sylvester. I'm an election judge for Jefferson County.
Yeah, good. You have a second amended motion to revoke probation, which states you are on probation for assault on a peace officer. That's a third-degree felony.
I was being.
And hold on, let me speak, and then you can speak. Okay, that's rude to speak over, and she's got to take everything. She can't.
Okay, just
Right.
forgive me.
Oh, hold on, stop.
Okay.
She can't take down both people speaking, and that's what she has to do as part of her job, and we don't want to jump on each other. And these are all allegations that are not crimes. See, these are things that are fixable, you know? Failing to report, I report, you know, everybody, or you're not on probation.
Right.
You know, probate, yeah, that's all about reporting. You have to work faithfully at suitable employment as best you can. Try to get a job. You have to perform community service, and that's a way of helping pay back to the community for the mistakes that you're on probation for. And this one's important. You got to complete that anger management program. That helps. That would be good for everybody. It makes them thinking about it and not letting the frustration of the moment overcome your emotions. You got to pay court assessed fees as best you can. Then you have to report, and it says another failure to report back in September of last year. Let's see what else. And that was it. So these are all fixable things that are not serious. You know, that I consider going to rob a bank while you're on probation or hurting somebody. You know, those are serious. This is all fixable. You know. You just have to, and these are all good things that help you be a better person. So what, from probation, what did we want to add? Is there anything else we need to look into here while I've got her?
Now, no. Originally, from the September the 14th, the reason all of this was filed because it was a judicial review and she failed to appear. That's why.
Well, you gotta appear. If you don't show
I
up,
had
you
no
don't.
idea because I had called and spoken with.
Do you understand though? You have to show up when.
I was told that the charges had been dropped, so that's why I stopped checking in.
What charges? You're on-
As far as the
On this assault on a public servant?
Correct, that's. what
No,
I
no,
was
no,
told.
I'm the
That's
one
why
that-
I was not checking.
No, you've been
That's
on
why-
probation. You've been on probation since 22, right? Yeah,
Since late 2022, it was
Mhm.
December.
12/19.
December, maybe the 19th or so.
That's what I just said. Yeah, 12,
Okay.
19, 12, 19. So that's 2.5 years. Yeah, 2.5 years. And then there's a motion to revoke probation that was held in abeyance. And then this second amended motion. But these are all fixable things. These are things but the most important thing is you got to show up. You got to be present. If you don't, you get counted absent. That's what happens. The game goes without you and you lose.
Well, I'm willing to abide by the guidelines of the probation is what I'm willing to do. And as I stated, there are other dates that I did not show up on, but I rescheduled due to me looking for work and things like that. So I am a very honorable and honest person.
Okay,
Where my work
so
are
what do we want to do today? We'll have a hearing on it. She'll admit, you hadn't been, you're not unstated yet. You're still on probation. I haven't revoked you in any way yet. You want to have this hearing, then we'll continue on probation and give her another chance on this. But these are great probation people. We have, we have a 93% success rate on probation, ma'am. We have a 93% probation success rate. The national average is 75.
Okay.
So it's not their fault.
Okay.
It's going to be yours. It's going to be yours.
First ever charge, so
All right,
I've never
fix
been
it.
in trouble
right.
my entire life.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm any statements you make during this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Lower your hand. In summary, this states that on December 19th, 2022, you were placed on 10 years deferred or unadjudicated probation for assault on a public servant. Is that true? You were
as
placed on
the
probation for that,
correct.
right? Well, you pleaded
Yes.
guilty to it, and we did not find you guilty. We gave you another chance. Number one states you failed to report to the probation office on or about June 18th, 2023, August 14th, 2023, September 6th, 2023, in violation of your probation order. Is that true?
I had rescheduled.
So that's not
A
true?
couple of different times.
That's not true.
I was not present, but I spoke with her and it was rescheduled, and I actually made every effort to go early.
All right, so that's
to
not,
probation at least twice, correct?
that's not true.
Correct.
You didn't, it says you failed to provide verification of entering and successfully completing the anger management program. Is that true?
That is true only because at the current time, I could not afford the anger management course. However, I was able to find one that was free, but the person that was over the anger management course at Family Services did not show up. I then contacted them.
Is there, let me ask you, of all of these allegations, is it anybody's fault? Is it ever your fault, or is it always somebody else's fault on all of this? Is it always somebody else's fault, or are you at fault in any of this?
Technically, yes, because I'm the person that is responsible for getting it done. But
what?
as far as the person that's over the class, if they don't show up, then I've got to find someone else to. I've got to find a different place to take the anger management courses. And
well, that's what we fix up. But then again, it's what we fix up. Was she on her own?
No, I gave her a flyer for another place that also provided transportation back and forth, and it was free. But she never attended.
She did not attend.
I don't remember getting anything.
And this, finally, it says failing to report to the probation office on September 14th, 2024 for a judicial review. Is that true or untrue?
Last year.
That is true, but it is true based on the information that I was given by the court of law about the charge no longer being under my name, that there was no charges. So I assume I no longer have.
Here's what the plan is. You're not pleading true to anything. So we're going to have a hearing on this. We're going to do it next week. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I'll make the decision, and y'all be present and ready, and we'll bring you up here and we'll see what happens. But you're not admitting to anything. It's everybody else's fault. And I'll be the person that makes the decision on whether your probation is revoked or not. Thank you. That is all. All right, we are in recess. Let's get ready. Let's get lunch and we'll.
Yes, they can have all the information on that food that, you know, Okay.
Yeah.